Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crazy Wave in the house. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the all-new Nokia 7.2. So let's get right into it, shall we? Putting aside the box lid, we get to see the huge phone on one side and the accessories enclosed in a box in the other. So let's first look at the contents of the box. Putting the phone aside, we get to look at the SIM tool over here, and then let's look at the contents of the box. Here we get a cable, a charging cable from micro USB to USB Type-C. Let's put that aside. We also get a charging brick, a 10-watt one, which is not fast charging capable, but it's still okay. We also get a headset. Let's put that aside as well. Now let's look at the main box. We also get some paperwork. Now let's look at the phone itself. Let's peel it off. Here it shows the Google Assistant button is present. That's a plus. As far as the phone is concerned, it is pretty big. It sports a 6.3-inch HDR10 capable pure display. I have in my hand the charcoal version of the phone. The green is not yet available. We've got the fingerprint scanner at the back, the triple camera setup with a flashlight enclosed in a circular disc-like shape at the back. We have got the 48 megapixel lens. We got the 8 megapixel wide angle and the 5 megapixel depth sensor. We got the Nokia branding over here, and we got like a glossy matte finish at the back. Coming to the front, we've got a 20 megapixel shooter, and we've also got the speaker grill at the top with the Nokia branding at the bottom. At the left side of the phone, we've got the Google Assistant button, which comes in handy, and we've got the SIM tray over here. Here we got the volume rocker at the top and the power button below it. At the bottom side of the phone, we've got a secondary noise cancelling microphone. We've got the USB Type-C port, and we've got a speaker grill over here. At the top of the phone, we've got a headphone jack and a microphone. So let's just start the phone. It's got the Android One program in it, so we get up to 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates. Here you go with the classic Nokia tune. I've just set up the phone. To the display of the Nokia 7.2, it's got a 6.3-inch pure display. It's available in 3 colors: charcoal, cyan green, and ice. Here are the colors for your display. It weighs about 180 grams, and it is equipped with the 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass, which is not too bad. When it comes to performance, it runs the Android 9 Pie upgrade, and it has 4GB or 6GB RAM variants, and it comes up with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC. The phone that we have right now, it is a 6GB variant, which is quite good. Let's check out how the audio on this phone is. The audio is quite nice, in fact. This phone is equipped with a non-removable 3500 mAh battery, which is quite average. Here are some features behind the box. See how the cameras work in optimal conditions. supposing we have to take a photograph of the bottle over here, excluding the background, we have to open the camera app and go to portrait mode. Here in the portrait mode, just go to the maximum setting and click on the bottle. Besides that option in the camera app, we've also got Pro mode, which basically helps us to adjust between all of the white balance and ISO mark and all that jazz. You got the photo mode, the video mode, in which we can switch between the wide angle lens and the normal lens, and we've also got the night mode. Let's test out the night mode. I'm going to turn off my light right now. As you can see, it's quite dark. Here in the night mode, it's the water bottle is clearly visible. Let's take a photograph, and boom, it feels as if the photograph was taken in brightness. In the photo option, if we go down over here, we've also got the slow motion option right over here. For the video mode, we've also got 3 different options of displays. We've got the single, we've got the duo, which helps to record both videos at the same time, with the front camera and the rear camera at the same time. And we've also got the picture in picture mode, which helps us to take video at the front and the back at the same time, but the front is just a tiny bit on the screen. It is basically used to record reaction videos. Here are some sample shots that I took with the Nokia phone. This is a simple video to understand the quality of the Nokia audio as well as the video quality. As you can see, this is the DIP mode. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell in order to view all of my videos. Thank you all for watching. Peace.